안녕하세요, 여러분. Hi, everyone. Welcome to our Korean vocabulary class. I'm starting this series where we will learn 10 Korean words every single day. But not just random words. We will learn useful daily life vocabulary. And we will also make simple sentences with each word so you can actually speak Korean, not just memorize it. This method will help you build a strong vocabulary step by step, improve your pronunciation, understand sentence structure naturally, and gain confidence in speaking. If you study 10 words every day in 30 days, you will know 300 words. Imagine your improvement. Now, please take a notebook and a pen. Write with me, speak with me, repeat every sentence out loud. Don't just watch, participate like you are sitting in a real class. Okay, let's start day one. Okay, so our first word is chip. Chip. Chip, which means house in Korean. Sentence 저는 집에 있어요. 저는 집에 있어요. 저는 집에 있어요. Which means I'm at home. Okay, so our next word is 학교. 학교. 학교, which means school in Korean. The sentence 저는 학교에 가요. 저는 학교에 가요. Repeat after me. 저는 학교에 가요. Say it clearly. 학교, not 학교. It's 학교. Okay, so our next word is 친구. 친구. 친구, which means friend in Korean. 제 친구는 정말 친절해요. 제 친구는 정말 친절해요. 제 친구는 정말 친절해요. Which means my friend is very kind. Okay, so the next word is 물. 물. 물, which means water in Korean. 저는 물을 마셔요. 저는 물을 마셔요. 저는 물을 마셔요. Which means I drink water. Okay, so our next word is 밥. 밥. 밥, which means rice in Korean. 저는 밥을 먹어요. 저는 밥을 먹어요. 저는 밥을 먹어요. Which means I eat a meal or I eat a rice. Okay, so you are doing great. So our next word is 시간. 시간. 시간, which means time. 시간이 없어요. 시간이 없어요. 시간이 없어요. Which means I don't have time. Repeat one more time. 시간이 없어요. Great. Okay, so our next word is 오늘. 오늘. 오늘, which means today. 오늘은 날씨가 좋아요. 오늘은 날씨가 좋아요. 오늘은 날씨가 좋아요. Which means the weather is good today. Okay, so our next word is 내일. 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 Which means tomorrow in Korean. 내일 많아요. 내일 많아요. Repeat after me. 내일 많아요. 내일 많아요. Which means see you tomorrow. Okay, so our next word is 사랑. 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 Which means love. 저는 가족을 사랑해요. 저는 가족을 사랑해요. 저는 가족을 사랑해요. Which means I love my family. Our next word is 돈. 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 Which means money. 돈이 필요해요. 돈이 필요해요. Repeat one more time. 돈이 필요해요. Which means I need money. If you have any question, ask me in the comments. I will reply and help you. Very good, everyone. If you wrote everything and repeated with me, I am really proud of you. Practice this sentence again later today. Remember, consistency is more important than perfection. See you tomorrow for day 2. Fighting!